Welcome to Simply Sociology. Today we will be discussing about association, its meaning and its features or attributes. In general sense, the word association refers to a group of people organized for a joint purpose. Association is a determinate social entity, according to MacIver, which is built upon common purposes. Another definition, as stated by D.C. Bhattacharya, is that an association is a group of people expressly organized around a particular interest, such as trade unions, political parties, pressure groups, clubs, family, and the state. So, we can say that an association is a group of people knowingly joined together for some common interest or for a particular aim or objective. Now, let us discuss about some common attributes or features of an association. Firstly, we can label association as a social group, as we know that people form or create such groups. We can also see that associations have some common interest, as the members of the group has more or less similar interests. Another characteristic that we find is that associations are organized. It is not an ordinary group, rather it is an organized group of people. Association forms with the help of cooperation and efforts of the members. So, we can find that it includes cooperation. Associations have certain rules and regulations. There are specific rules and regulations composed by the members which are either written or verbal, that forms a guideline for its members. Another characteristic of an association is that it is consciously organized. Associations are artificially formed for common interests, hence they are planned and are consciously organized by people. Another attribute of an association is fixed aim. As the members come together for some common goal and objectives, their aim is fixed. Voluntary membership is one more characteristic of an association. People with common interest joins the association for the fulfillment of their aims and objectives. Hence, membership is voluntary. In terms of longevity, associations are formed for a limited period of time. Hence, most of the associations are temporary. But there are few associations that are permanent, like the family. So, from today's discussion, we can conclude that an association can be called a group of voluntary people who consciously come together to achieve any particular aim or goal, which is mostly for a limited period of time. I hope this video helps you in understanding the meaning, characteristics, nature, features, and attributes of association. Thank you everyone for watching.